everyone, it's Charlotte here from Thompson Leisure, and today I will be walking you around our Hymer B MCI 600 2026 edition. This is a black line edition and it also has the equipment line premium pack, so stay tuned and we'll talk through some of the specification in those. So the B MCI 600 is 5 berth with 5 belts. It's just shy of 7.2 metres in length. So if you are trying to find that happy medium motorhome where it's not too big but also accommodates for 5 people, this could be right up your street. Talking through some of the features on the front, we've got the chrome black grille, which is part of the black line package. You've got your LED headlights, you've got rain sensing wipers as well, and then we'll work our way around to this side. So our Hymer is finished off in the crystal silver metallic paint, which is absolutely stunning. And you've got your black graphics along the side as well. You've got your full demonstrator awning, and it's also in black, so it really ties in with the colour scheme we have going on here. And we've got our gloss black 16-inch alloys. External barbecue point, and then we'll take a wee look into our garage. So this is a quick sneak peek into our garage. We've got an external shower point in here with access to hot and cold water. You've got your checker floor plate there, and as well as that you've got access to the other side. But as you can see, the garage is huge for size comparison. So our Hymer B MCI 600 comes with a lot of driving features. So one of them is your reverse camera at the back. There's 295 watt solar panels on your roof as well. And then just down here is your double floor access. So you can access that externally and internally. And as well as this, it is also heated. So we've got all the bells and whistles up at the front in the driver's section, starting off with our steering wheel. Lovely and plush looking. You've got your leather upholstery on your steering wheel. You've got your adaptive cruise controller with your speed limiter. You've also got your voice recognition. Now what comes with the black line package is your 9G Tronic automatic transmission, and this vehicle is 170 brake horsepower. And our MBX infotainment system is situated here. So you've got your DAB radio, your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, your reverse camera is also in there, as well as your sat nav. So we're into our living quarters and we have the L-shaped lounge with your additional seat here. So that converts into your extra seat belt, and then you've got your 2 fixed ones here. As well as this table collapses down and makes up into an extra berth. Another nice touch is the fact that it is extendable, so that makes into a larger table, obviously, if you're sitting more people. And what is new to the 2026 model is the finish on all your counters. Absolutely stunning interior on this vehicle. So stepping into the kitchen area, we have a lot of new features in here. So one of these is the cupboard, so you can actually lock these for whenever you're driving, and that obviously stops them from rattling and opening about, and you can open them as well. We've got lovely matte black finish on your sink and all the other things, and you've got your separate oven and grill here with your 3-ring gas burner. Your little spotlights as well are finished off in that lovely matte black finish, so it follows the full way throughout the vehicle. Behind me is the fridge, and your freezer box is up here as well. And then onto your control panel then. So we've got our Hymer Connect. This is accessible through the phone, and it's all touchscreen. Everything you need is basically there, as you can see. So this vehicle runs off our Aldi heating system, which is the top of the range heating system in motorhomes. It's your wet water system, and the control panel is just situated up there. So this is our bathroom setup. It is all in the one room, but you still have the sense that you have the separate shower and your toilets. You've got your little blinds that close off here, and your toilet is situated over at the other side. As you can see, we have the rear single bed layout. That's currently just pulled up into the double bed, but if you lift away that insert, you have your 2 separate single beds, and then just underneath that is your wardrobe space. So this is our bed setup in the front lounge. Where I'm sitting now is the extra berth conversion. So the table basically just drops down to the floor, clicks into place, and then these are your extra berth cushions to make up the single bed here. And then just behind me is our large double bed just over the cab, and that pulls down manually. This is our 5th seatbelt setup. It's just in a goodie travel seat that folds up out of the way. But whenever you need to use the 5th seatbelt, you just basically pop that into place, and that is secured right into the chassis. So that was a brief walk through our Hymer B MC I 600. If you want to check out the full details that can be seen, it's advertised on our website. This one won't stick around for too long, so act fast. If you've any inquiries on this, please give us a wee shout in sales. You can get us on 028 9269 3999. Thank you.